Bit of a day out today, filming in Roughwood, Willenhall, or Roughwood, Walsall, or Roughwood, Bloxwich, sort of in between all these places, but it's Walsall Council. Roughwood is a very old wood, and I've known it since I was a child, and an aunt lived right next to it, and I wanted to test out the DJI Osmo 4 gimbal, or DJI or DJI OM4 as they're now calling it, and I was running this with my Oppo Reno 4, Reno 2, and just wanted to see how it performed. I've known one memory I've got of Roughwood was my wife at the time rang me up in quite a state. She'd crashed the car there, so I rushed over and had a look at the damage. And I said, "Well, what happened?" She says, "Oh, it was really strange, Bob. This pine tree just sort of ran out in front of the car." She says, "So I swerved to the left, and this pine tree just swerved to the right. So I swerved to the right, and the pine tree swerved to the left." She says, "And then it ran out in front of me again, so I swerved one more time, and I crashed into this other tree." I looked at her and I said, "You silly cow, that was the air freshener." So Roughwood. Yeah, I had to go and have a film because it's a sort of a hidden gem. I've got a friend I've been talking to recently, and she went to school with me, and the school is literally half a mile away from Roughwood, and she's lived in this area her whole life, and her first time going there was about 3 months ago. She knew nothing about it. It's sort of it's right next to the motorway. So if you've ever been up the M6 past Walsall, you've passed Roughwood. So I thought it was a pleasant enough day today. So headed off to Walsall. Well, more Willenhall really. I went to Roughwood and I did this filming with this DJI Osmo 4 gimbal to see what the stabilising like. And I thought, might as well put it up onto YouTube, so anybody near Walsall who wants a bit of a day out and a nice strike, because it is a really nice woods. I thought I'll put it up, put a bit of music to you, and you can see whether it's worth a drive. I'll put the location to Roughwood, so if you're not far from Walsall, you'll be able to come out and have a nice walk round. So basically, got motorway one side, the Curly Whirly Canal, as they call it. It's the Great Whirly Canal one side. There's free parking, and some of those oak trees are really, really old. It's worth a visit. So that's about all I wanted to say about my day out in Roughwood, and I'll just put some music on now, and you can have a look. And when you get bored, just click on one of those other suggested videos, and away you go. This is Big Bob, A for X loser, peace man.
Of the night could have seen us then, he would have spread the word around. These crazy people with the school bus would shortly be unable to be found. Come on, boys, they were shouting, let's get this trip up underway. Let's get this crate in the next state, or we're never gonna make it to that day. Oh, there's nothing that we're gonna say about it. There's nothing that we're gonna have to see. There's a boat that gives you what we choose. We were running with lightning. My nerve was getting plenty of use. On the main track into the middle of the map, left the green trail along Route 53. Reached the top of the Goughs shore and rolled straight down into the Mersey. Oh, there's nothing that they're gonna say about it. There's nothing that they're gonna have to see. Invisible, the kid who hides from nothing. Invisible, the kid is me. Oh.
silly boy, love is a dream. Don't you know the backroom girls don't play it for real?
Congratulations, you never learn. Here stands a fool with the wants to the fool. You'll never make it, you'll never come through. Don't try to find it, 'cause it won't find you. Making money out of everyone else.